Transformer Ice Bottles. Here is another seasonal winner straight from the trending pages. The Transformer Ice Bottle. This clever little gadget pulling double duty is perfect for the beach or hot outdoor days. It functions as a freezer tray to make ice blocks, but it also transforms right into a portable water container to keep your drinks ice cold for hours. Because it's highly visual and incredibly practical, it's the exact kind of product that goes viral on TikTok and Instagram. It costs pennies to buy in bulk, making it an amazing item for a quick turnaround e-commerce setup. 3D embroidered photo art. Talk about turning a simple hobby into a premium, high-income business. One creator is blowing up online by using colored threads to turn ordinary photographs into stunning 3D artworks. She embroiders intricate patterns and colorful flowers directly onto the printed images, giving them incredible depth and a totally fresh, modern look. Because it is so deeply personalized and handmade, it has quickly become a massive hit for unique, sentimental gifts. People are genuinely excited to pay premium prices for custom art pieces like this, and her order book is completely filled. Gummy candy bouquets. Move over traditional flowers and boring chocolates, because gummy candy bouquets are officially taking over the gift market. These are made by taking an assortment of colorful gummies, fixing them onto wooden skewers, and arranging them into gorgeous, eye-catching floral compositions. They are wildly popular for birthdays and celebrations, and unlike fruit or chocolate, they won't melt or ruin in warm weather. The startup cost here is almost zero. All you need to do is buy some candy, practice the crafting technique, and start taking custom orders through social media. If you're enjoying this, tap subscribe right now to stay ahead. High-margin event gloves. If you love fashion and crazy high-profit margins, this next idea is a total goldmine. These gorgeous, handmade statement gloves are the ultimate accessory to instantly elevate any party or event outfit. The real kicker here is the math. They cost a mere 50 cents in materials to produce, but because they look so exclusive and stylish, you can easily retail them for $50 or even more. They are the perfect product for pitching to trendy local accessory boutiques or showcasing through aesthetic reels on your Instagram storefront. Minecraft-inspired square burgers. The restaurant industry is all about presentation, and a brand new burger trend is going absolutely viral right now. Cafes are serving up totally square-shaped burgers inspired by Minecraft blocks. They take a hollowed-out square bun and pack it full of juicy patties, melted cheese, fresh vegetables, and signature sauces. It is a brilliant, creative twist that immediately grabs the attention of both kids and adults, even if they've never played the video game. It's highly shareable, meaning your customers will basically do all your social media marketing for you the second it hits their table. The AR900 tile laying robot. Construction and renovation work usually take years of intense manual practice to master, but this machine changes everything. The AR900 tile laying robot makes the entire process incredibly easy, even for absolute beginners. You simply load the tiles onto its platform, and the robot's built-in sensors and smart suction cups handle the rest, applying the adhesive and laying each tile with flawless precision in just minutes. Priced at around $10,000, this machine is a powerhouse that quickly pays for itself if you put it to consistent use on local renovation projects. Custom pet nose jewelry. Pet lovers are incredibly passionate, and they're always looking for ways to keep their furry best friends close. That's why jewelry made from a direct mold of a pet's nose is a massive growing trend. The business model is simple. You send customers a kit with a completely safe molding compound so they can capture the unique texture of their dog, cat, or rabbit's nose. They mail it back, and your workshop transforms that mold into a beautiful, custom pendant keepsake. It's a highly emotional product with excellent profit potential. Photo cutout pizza packaging. A brilliant pizzeria managed to boost its sales fivefold with one incredibly simple change: eye-catching packaging with a clever photo cutout. The box design allows customers to hold it up, take funny or creative pictures with it, and immediately share them on social media. This turns every single meal into free, organic promotion for the brand. Surprisingly, only a handful of places worldwide have actually used this smart marketing tactic so far, making it an incredibly fresh, low-cost way to draw in heavy crowds in your city. Don't miss out on the next breakthrough. Built-in stamp loyalty systems. Looking to get more repeat business for your cafe or restaurant without spending a fortune on advertising? Implementing a classic, straightforward loyalty card system works wonders. Customers simply collect a stamp or a sticker every time they make a purchase, and after 10 visits, they earn a free item. The best part for the owner is that the reward is already factored into your overall menu pricing. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, while powerfully encouraging repeat habits and building massive long-term customer loyalty. Premium gift packaging focus. When it comes to selling candy bouquets, crafts, or creative gifts, you need to focus heavily on premium packaging. While what's inside the box obviously matters, it's the eye-catching, elegant outer wrapping that creates that crucial first impression. A simple, low-cost arrangement instantly feels exclusive and high-end when it's beautifully wrapped with premium materials. This small upgrade significantly increases the perceived value of your product, making customers much more likely to happily buy from you, pay higher prices, and return for future occasions. Pressure washer sidewalk stencils. Here is a genius, completely legal way to advertise outdoors without breaking any local anti-graffiti laws. Instead of using messy paper posters or permanent spray paint, businesses are using a custom stencil and a high-powered pressure washer. By cleaning away dirt through the stencil, they leave a perfectly readable, crisp advertisement directly on the pavement. Because you are technically just cleaning the public property, it's entirely legal. To remove the ad, the city would literally have to clean the entire sidewalk, giving your message incredible staying power. Sweet tea bombs. Tea bombs are a massively popular, visually stunning gift trend for tea enthusiasts, and it's a breeze to launch directly from your home kitchen. These are beautiful, crystal-clear sugar spheres packed full of high-quality loose tea, dried fruits, and vibrant, edible ingredients. The magic happens when you pour hot water over them. They dissolve right before your eyes in a gorgeous, dramatic way. People absolutely love buying them as unique gifts or for hosting upscale tea experiences, making them a fantastic, highly aesthetic social media product. Adjustable hinge decor frames. If you want to tap into the luxury home decor market without spending a fortune on raw materials, this is your answer. This stylish concept uses adjustable frames featuring movable hinges to hold flower vases or other art pieces. Thanks to the clever mechanical design, customers can easily alter the angles and positions whenever they want. The finished product looks incredibly upscale, architectural, and modern, despite using very basic, budget-friendly materials. It's a fantastic, high-margin product to manufacture and sell online or at local design markets. Concrete construction blankets. The construction world is being disrupted by a game-changing material known as the concrete blanket. These are incredibly flexible, easy-to-transport sheets that can be molded to absolutely any shape or surface. Once you soak them with water, they rapidly harden into a solid, durable concrete layer, cutting down the need for traditional building materials by up to 90%. Starting a local distribution or specialized production business around these innovative blankets is massive, with the potential to generate more than $2 million annually as infrastructure demands grow. Balloon gift expander machines. Want to start a fun, high-demand home business with an investment of just a few dollars? Creative gift packaging is booming, and putting presents directly inside balloons is a huge trend. By using a simple $5 balloon expander machine, you can easily stretch open a large balloon and insert items like plush toys, clothing, or gadget boxes inside. Plenty of high-end party shops use this eye-catching method to elevate their services, and it works beautifully as an independent home business taking custom orders through Instagram. Automatic plastering machines. If you want to scale up a renovation or construction team, manual labor is usually your biggest bottleneck. This $500 automatic plastering machine speeds up wall finishing projects significantly. Instead of workers spending hours manually smoothing out surfaces, you simply load your plaster mix into the machine, and it evenly applies a perfect coat to the wall in a fraction of the time. It is an absolute must-have tool for anyone launching or expanding a modern renovation business looking to finish jobs faster. Luxury inflatable electric scooter rentals. Inflatable electric scooters are rapidly becoming a hot, high-profit business in tourist hotspots. These unique watercraft are priced under $700 to buy, but you can rent them out to eager tourists for $200 per hour, or even upwards of $500 in high-end luxury resorts. Wealthy vacationers are always looking for a thrilling new experience and are completely willing to pay premium prices. If you live in a warm area near a popular beach or lake, this venture offers incredible year-round profit potential. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Multi-flavored chocolate strawberry cups. A clever cafe in Japan decided to give traditional chocolate-covered strawberries a brilliant modern twist. Instead of selling them individually, they serve fresh strawberries in convenient plastic cups and pour different, rich chocolate flavors right on top. This simple tweak makes the treat look incredibly appetizing and highly visual, turning it into an instant hit across social media. It is a perfect, low-cost menu addition that drives heavy foot traffic and massively boosts your brand's online presence through customer food photos. Independent candy bouquet business. Making custom candy bouquets is one of the most straightforward, reliable home income ideas out there. You take an assortment of popular sweets, secure them safely onto wooden skewers, and arrange them into beautiful, decorative displays tailored for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. The profit margins are fantastic, with earnings typically starting at around $20 per bouquet. Because sweets are universally loved and the startup costs are minimal, you can easily grow this business entirely through local word of mouth and social media marketing. Inflatable closet-sized scooters. A Japanese company has developed an innovative inflatable electric scooter retailing for $2,500, opening up a great business opportunity for urban areas. This incredibly compact vehicle can be deflated and stored right inside a standard apartment closet, making it the perfect solution for city commuters dealing with tight living spaces. You can launch a business around buying these unique vehicles to rent out or sell directly to urban professionals looking for a fun, ultra-portable, and eco-friendly way to navigate crowded downtown streets. Fitness gym protein vending machines. Here is a brilliant hands-off business idea for your city. Vending machines that dispense freshly mixed protein shakes, mass gainers, and ready-to-drink sports nutrition instead of traditional coffee or sodas. The absolute best locations for these units are right inside busy fitness centers and local gyms where athletes need immediate post-workout fuel. The high-end equipment runs anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, but because you have a perfectly targeted, captive audience, payback and solid profits typically start within just a few months. The Handsome Staff Spa. Ever thought about selling pure good vibes? A spa in Singapore is absolutely crushing it by hiring exclusively handsome male staff. Women aren't just booking appointments for the standard facials or massages. They're coming in for the compliments, the undivided attention, and a major mood boost. The whole experience feels super premium, complete with wine, friendly conversations, and genuine emotional connections. It completely transforms a routine self-care day into an unforgettable experience, turning first-time visitors into fiercely loyal, regular clients. If you want to disrupt the local wellness industry, focusing heavily on a unique emotional connection is definitely the way to go. Belt clip clothing fans. If you're hunting for a winning product to sell online this summer, look no further than this trending gadget making waves on social media. It's a super compact clothing fan that clips right onto your belt, blowing a cool breeze under your shirt all day long. With 4 adjustable speed settings and a seriously long-lasting battery, it's a total lifesaver for anyone working outdoors or just melting in the summer heat. The best part? These cost just a few dollars to source from China, leaving you with massive profit margins for easy marketplace or social media sales.